Hi everybody. Happy 2020 to you all. It's like December and I'm an elf at the moment and I have a treat for you from a little workshop. And because I'm so super inspired and impressed by everybody who's been practicing in these kind of dark months in various ways, I made a little treat for you, a little holiday treat. And I will mail it to you. It's a little bumper sticker if you like that kind of thing. You can put it on a car, you could put it on a folder. And if you do things like use water bottles, I made some little water bottle stickers for you too. Because you guys have been doing the most amazing work, most amazing, not only just self-commitment, dedication, and discipline about your practice, but also just as a whole. I'm super impressed and it makes my heart grow 5 sizes. Isn't that something from the Grinch? Anyway, it's very warming. So you'll be getting an email from me. My cameraman is doing such an outstanding job. Thank you. And thank you to all of you. I can't wait to see you in class. Look for your email. I'll get your addresses and send you a little treat. Oh, look, it's upside down. There we go. Happy holidays. I can't wait to see you online. I love teaching you online. The hot room's amazing. And happy 2020. Okay, see you soon.